갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는
Lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if today is your first time, please subscribe, join the family, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. And to my old subscriber guys, thank you so much. Okay, so our online training class, which is the 50% discount, I don't know if I should extend it. I really don't know. So I'm going to, I don't know if I'm going to extend it because I'm really getting tired, I'm really getting tired. Lots of students and a lot of formulations. I need to do products for my clients. Yeah, I have clients that always buy the wholesale from me. Yeah, they buy from me and they resell. So I'm too busy this period to be doing class. So if I'm going to continue with the class, then I'm going to let you guys know, right? And today's video so guys, don't look at my hair. I cut my hair yesterday myself, so the hair was looking too bushy and I have to use my scissors and I tried. No, everything is level up, like level down. Everything is leveled down, so I have to use scissors. And today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about this. Yeah, this is Fair Whitening Beauty Cream. Yeah guys, Fair Whitening Beauty Cream. This is a very nice cream. For those of you that have been asking me what can you use on your face, now I have what you can use on your face. Okay, I have this Fair cream. Is a lightening cream, or rather whitening cream. So I'm just going to read out the stuff here. Okay, so Fair Beauty Cream is a new non-greasy whitening cream. Non-greasy means it's not going to leave your skin oiling. Okay, there are some cream you're going to use. If you apply the cream on your face, and you will be seeing oils all over your face, but this one is non-greasy. Okay, meaning you're not going to have oils on your face. So it's a non-greasy whitening cream which lightens the skin and leaves it radiant and moist. Its active ingredient helps to clear spots, blackheads, blemishes, and freckles, and protect against skin infections. It may also be used as a makeup base. Okay, so the direction is apply heavily over clean face and neck, preferable with fair soap. Okay, for best results, use twice daily. So this is a Fair Whitening Cream. I have tried this on my face. So I've tried a lot of products on my face. Just sometimes I will try for like 2 weeks. I just want to know the results of this product, because I sell this product. I sell them like this finished product. I sell them. So I really want to know the results, how it works, so that I will know the kind of thing I'm selling out. If I'm selling out good things, or if I am selling out bad things. So I have also used this Fair tube, and when I used it, I did not dilute it. Okay, so this is my skin. My skin has suffered a lot when it comes to testing. Anything I want to test is my skin. So it's a tube cream. I use this directly on my face without diluting it, and I did not have any burns. It's going to lighten up your face. For those of you that have been asking me, you need a lightening face cream. If you cannot make your own face cream by yourself, you can use this, but the best way to use it guys, dilute it. Okay, yes, the best way to use this cream, you have to dilute it, like adding other products to it that also work well. And you can add some serums to it, because this one is non-greasy. You can add some lightening serum. You can add some serums that also clears out pimples and spots, and you're going to have a lovely face guys. you are going to have a lovely face. And one, please, a face cream should be used around your face to your neck and your ears, so that you not be having two complexion, like your ears are one color, your face are one color, your neck is another color. No, a face cream should be applied around your face, your neck, your ears. And this is one of, in fact, should I say one of the best? Yeah, it's one of the best when it comes to skin lightening. It's one of the best. And if you want to promise a skin lightening cream for a client or for yourself, you can also use this to promise a skin lightening cream. Okay, just make sure to read the ingredients that they use in making this. Okay, and this also contains a lot of ingredients. We have agua, stearic acid, isopropyl, okay, seed extract, paraffin, glycerin. Oh, a lot, like seriously, a lot of products. So that is why this product is really working well on the face. So go and try this if you want to have a lightening complexion. It works well on your face. Okay, if you want to treat sunburn, if you want to treat dark spots, if you want to treat blackheads, then you can use this to treat blackheads. So I'm going to press out the cream so that you see how it looks like on the skin. And this cream is really big, so you're going to use it for months. So this is it. You see, there's nothing like oil on my skin. Wow, and it smells nice. So there's nothing like oil on my skin. So this cream is not crazy. So it's really perfect for your face. It's going to lighten up your face, guys. Trust me. I have used this. That is why I'm doing the review. You can get, if you're in Nigeria, you can get this from the shop. If you're in Europe, I don't know if you can get this one. I don't know if you can get this from the Afro shop. Maybe you can get it online, and I also sell this cream. So this is just going to give you that perfect lightening complexion. It's going to brighten up your face. It's going to remove spots from your skin. It's going to remove spots from your face. And also, when I talk about the promising, you can promise this with the, what is it called, the clean cap. Yes, I've made a review because I need a clean cap cream before. You can promise this and clean cap cream together, not just this and clean cap. Okay, you can also use a base cream, like you can make your own base cream from the scratch. Make your base cream from the scratch. You can add this into it, the fair tube into it, and you can add the clean cap cream into it, and you add some nice serums that works well in lightening of the skin, or and the serum that works well when it comes to dark spots and the acne scars. So you add those serums to it, and you can add make sure to add the vitamin E oil. I mean the tocopherol, not just any vitamin E. Add the tocopherol so that it will help to stabilize your product, because sometimes when it comes to promising or adding product together, you may be adding some product together and the colors are going to change. Like your colors, maybe from 1 week you will notice that your color the color of your cream has changed from white to brown color, meaning the cream has oxidized. Okay, there are some products that really, if you mix them together, it's going to change the color. So it has oxidized. So you use tocopherol vitamin E, not just any vitamin E oil. Tocopherol, that one is like red, not red, it's like wine. Yeah, the color is like wine, and it is very thick and very expensive. So you use tocopherol to stabilize your face cream if you're going to be promising this with another product. If you want to promise this with your clean cap, make sure to add the tocopherol so that your face cream don't get oxidized. If your face cream gets oxidized, it's not going to work anymore. The cream is going to turn black, and all the potent ingredients that they use in making the cream, they are going to oxidize, meaning they are not going to work anymore. You're just going to be applying the product on your face without seeing any effect. So you use the tocopherol to stabilize your product, and you have to make sure you're getting the right original fair tube. Okay, so this fair tube is very safe. If you buy a fair tube cream and you use it on your face and you have bad reaction, know you got the original, you got the fake one. Just, I'm telling you this from my heart because this is what I used. Okay, I have used this before. I'm telling you this, giving you this review. So if you use the fake tube and it's giving you bad reaction, meaning you got the wrong one, you got the fake tube. Because this cream, as far as I am concerned, it is very safe on the skin. It lightens up your face, it clears out your face, it removes spots, it removes pimples, it removes sunburn, and this works very fast. It's not something you have to wait for 1 month. Okay, this work very fast. It's not something that now you have to wait for 1 month. No, trust me, 1 week you're going to start seeing results. Just 1 week you're going to start seeing results, and you come back and tell me your testimony. You come back and tell me your testimonies. So I'm going to be promising with this one. Yeah, I'm going to drop that video. I'm going to be promising with fair tube cream. I'm going to make a face cream with this, and I'm going to drop the video on this YouTube channel. You can also make that one also and use on your skin, right? So if you want to know more about promising, you can learn the promising class. We do the organic class and we do the promising class. You can learn more of the promising. Also, the promising works super fast. Yes, it's not going to damage your skin if you do it the right way. Promise the right way. Okay, organic can never damage your skin, but it works a little bit slow, but it can never damage your skin. That is it. So this fair tube is a very great whitening tube. So I'm still going to share more whitening cream to you that you can use on your face. Maybe that will be on my next video, right? So guys, that is it for today's video, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. So guys, bye.